in this camionero wooden mate. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some chimarrão. Show you guys how to do it. I'm going to be using chimango today. Put it in a bag, it'll store a little longer. I heat my mate water to 175. I don't like boiling my tongue off. Lower the temperature, the better you can taste it. Big tip, use a bombilla de lenteja, not this cucharita, because it'll clog on you like crazy. Working theory, I feel like the lip of the camionero, or I guess calabash, helps keep the form of the chimarrão, but I've also made them in the sippers, the little baby guys that I showed on the screen. Alright, so you're going to open the bag and you're going to fill the mate halfway. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tilt the mate, you're going to shake it, and you want all the mate to be on 1/2 of the mate. That way you can pour some water on the other side. You're going to fill it up. You don't want it to go over. You want to leave some dry stuff. And then you're going to want to set the bombilla meterlo immediately. Some people like to wait, cover it up, insert it. You don't want to put it under the mound, but put it a little bit in the middle and onto the side. Watch the water drop. That's an indication that your filtration's good. So once you cover the bombilla head, you let it go, it should drop a little, and that shows that you're going to have some good filtration. There you go, fix the mound, make it look cute. Set the bombilla, knock it around, make a huge mess while you do it. Alright, and then I filmed this one just so that I could have some proof of the filtration. There we go, take a little sip of it. Once the bubbles go away. Adios, atelo. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. That's how you make some chimarrão. Take care, get out there and make some.